AI skill is very important. There are a lot of tools coming in because I have seen people being in one role for 8-9 years because they don't want to upgrade. सिर्फ LLB डिग्री या LLM करके आप नहीं एलिजिबल हो जाओगे.
इंजीनियर या लॉ करके निकलते हैं ना, लोगों को यही लगता है कि सिर्फ
जॉब करना है तो लाइक करो because that also gives you an exposure. But ना right skills के साथ करना चाहिए.
Do you think that certificate is overrated in today's world?
Certification without a project implementation, it is useless.
Opportunity is way higher in US market.
है अपॉर्चुनिटी बहुत सारी है. यूएस कंपनीज बहुत ज़्यादा इंडियन मार्केट में इन्वेस्ट करते हैं. लॉट ऑफ पीपल वर्किंग फॉर द यूएस कंपनीज फॉर years and years and they want that person to stay in that role.
New businesses, the startups, compliance वगैरह सब कुछ हम लोग ChatGPT से निकाल लेते हैं. How authentic is that? नमस्कार दोस्तों, आप सभी का स्वागत है एक सोच में. हर एपिसोड की तरह ये एपिसोड भी बहुत ही ज्यादा यूनिक और बहुत ही अलग कॉन्सेप्ट के साथ शुरू करने वाले हैं. आज का जो एपिसोड है उसमें हम बात करेंगे किस तरीके से लैक्स एंड लैक्स ऑफ स्टूडेंट ग्रेजुएट एवरी ईयर बट दे फेल टू गेट गुड जॉब्स, whereas I can say they're not job ready. So today we are speaking to our guest Shivani Joshi, who is a founder of Stratify BA, and she will decode that how easy it is to get the job in today's world. Let's welcome our guest Shivani Joshi. Welcome to Ek Soch, ma'am.
Hello, thank you.
So today's episode is going to be very interesting because I'm sure that there are lakhs and lakhs, more than lakhs, every year people graduate,
Yes.
but still they fail to understand that how we can get the job, because somewhere I feel education is not making them job ready.
True.
Okay, so before we even begin, I really want to understand your journey as an entrepreneur. How did you start it? And I know that you started as an engineer and coming from a law background.
Yeah.
How did you thought of having your own venture as Stratify BA?
So actually, as you said that I have been I am an engineer. I was working as a business analyst, and that's when I was working mainly into US healthcare. That's when I realized how HIPAA laws and all of that are related. That's where it more interested me that having the backing of law that actually will help me. इसीलिए मैंने फिर लॉ करने के लिए सोचा.
Very good.
और फिर LLB करते करते देन मुझे पता चला इंडिया के पास अभी तो DPDP मतलब डेटा प्रोटेक्शन लॉ था ही नहीं और आ रहा था. इट वाज अंडर प्रोसेस. तो फिर मैंने वो भी किया. आई डिड माय सर्टिफिकेशन इन लाइक आई एम अ DCPLA फॉर द DPDP. वो करते करते देन आई रियलाइज्ड लॉ ग्रेजुएट्स एक्चुअली डोंट नो द टेक्नोलॉजी. आई वाज सडनली एलिजिबल फॉर अ लॉट ऑफ रोल्स ऑन LinkedIn बिकॉज आई हैव अ टेक्निकल बैकग्राउंड.
Correct.
With the right skills, lawyers be eligible हो सकते हैं वो jobs के. That's when I realized that I have to help to bridge this gap.
Correct.
And that is how Stratify was born.
Lovely. You're doing amazing. You're solving a very big problem. Okay, सबसे पहले तो इंजीनियर या लॉ करके निकलते हैं ना, लोगों को यही लगता है कि सिर्फ जॉब करना है. Now, what is your thought in that?
जॉब मैं बोलूँगी जॉब करना है तो करो प्लीज बिकॉज दैट ऑल्सो गिव्स यू एन एक्सपोजर और अंडरस्टैंडिंग अबाउट द बिजनेस, अबाउट द कंपनीज, कॉर्पोरेट्स. बट ना राइट स्किल्स के साथ करना चाहिए. It's not that your degree is making you eligible for those roles.
Correct.
It's the skills that matters. It actually makes the difference. So, and that is not taught in honestly, it's not taught in LLB because LLB में बहुत सारी चीजें कवर करनी होती है. तो वो लोग ये टेक्नोलॉजी, ये AI, ये सारी चीजें नहीं बता पाएंगे. थोड़ा सा आपको खुद से आपको अपग्रेड करना होगा अगर आपको वो जॉब्स में मतलब काम करना है इन कॉर्पोरेट्स.
Correct.
That is important.
So when did you realize basically कि students को ये मार्केट में the kind of problem that you are solving, right, ये मार्केट में बहुत ज़्यादा ज़रूरत है जो फैसिलिटीज, जो सर्विसेज आप प्रोवाइड कर रहे हो?
जब DPDP के बारे में मैं पढ़ रही थी तब मैंने सोचा कि तब तो शायद इट वाज अंडर रिव्यू. वी हैड अ ड्राफ्ट, पहला ड्राफ्ट आ चुका था और उसको इम्प्लीमेंटेशन के लिए अभी भी वी हैव बीन गिवन 14 months. तो इसके बाद ना DPDP मतलब डेटा प्रोटेक्शन एक्ट आ जाएगा तो बहुत सारे रोल्स आ जाएंगे क्योंकि फिर आपको हर चीज जैसे एक लॉ आपको अबाइड करना है, कंप्लाइंट रहना है आपको DPDP से. तो अगर लॉयर्स ये बात नहीं समझते कि और डेटा जब हम बात कर रहे हैं तो वो कंप्यूटर्स, वो टेक्नोलॉजी, वो सीखेंगे नहीं तो कंप्लायंट आप कैसे करोगे वो एक्शन.
Hmm.
That is when I realized that this needs to be taken care. एंड इट इज नॉट कि सिर्फ एक स्किल सेट से होगा, इट इज अ कॉम्बिनेशन ऑफ द स्किल्स विच इज नीडेड. सिर्फ LLB डिग्री या LLM करके आप नहीं एलिजिबल हो जाओगे फॉर द रोल्स. इट इज द स्किल सेट. AI क्या करेगा, ये आपकी जॉब को कैसे करेगा, दैट इज इम्पोर्टेंट. वो सीखना चाहिए बेसिकली. मैं
So basically, how you are helping and who are you basically helping?
So we have designed courses जिसमें we have live experts coming in. Like literally we help fresh graduates also. और ऐसे भी है जो LLB कर they are working into like BPO industry or other industries, but they are like afraid to go into or work in the legal tech. So they want to switch in, and this interests them, but they don't know how to start. So that's why like we are helping them. We have live experts coming in, teaching them about the tools, the real skill set needed to work as that. So like live classes ke help se, and then we also help them optimizing the LinkedIn, because skills without positioning won't help. So that also we help in our course.
So you make them basically job ready, and also you teach them like what kind of questions would draw when you go for hiring process.
Yes. So recently like one of our student who had like a different experience, though LLB degree, but he wanted to work particularly into data protection. And after doing our course, he said, I knew that this is going to grow and everything, but after doing your course, he was able to present himself in interviews and everything very confidently. We have his testimonial also. I'll just show you that. But so that is the difference. It is actually helping, and positioning say you get shortlisted better. There are like very few right now for the legal tech. It is a very, very new concept. Like in US and UK, this concept was developed in 2015, but India has a history of following the trend a little
later.
So the data scientist roles, business analyst roles, they started developing there first. यहाँ पे आने को बहुत ज़्यादा time लग जाता है.
So basically, you're talking about new roles, right?
Legal BA role, legal business analyst.
So legal BA roles, what are roles do we really have in this domain?
There's this, like I'll share with you. There's a video. आप अभी भी अगर LinkedIn पर जाओगे, and if you search legal business analyst, there are like yesterday I checked, there were 221 roles open in India.
Oh wow!
And like strangely, we started last year. That time there were hardly 7 to 8 roles, because DPDP का ये नहीं था, उसके impact की वजह से.
But it is still coming. Like,
it's still coming. It is there now. Like 14 months दिए है. उसके बाद तो it has to be ये. But compliance analyst, privacy analyst, जिसमें टेक्नोलॉजी का यूज बहुत होता है. LLB डिग्री चाहिए, but टेक्नोलॉजी के ब्लेंड के साथ चाहिए. सिर्फ डिग्री से नहीं चलेगा काम. ऐसा है अभी.
Correct. So when you say degree is not enough anymore, what all things a person needs in today's world to get job ready?
For particular legal BA.
Yes, legal BA.
Learning all the tools available. So even for achieving DPDPO, there are a lot of tools available, और बहुत आ भी रहे हैं मार्केट में. तो आपको पता होना चाहिए कौन सा टूल कौन सा आपका सिनेरियो कवर कर सकता है. फिर टेक्नोलॉजी ड्रिवन में अगर हम बात करें तो अगर डैशबोर्ड बनाना है या फिर वर्कफ्लोज आर वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. ये सारे स्किल्स आपको आने ही चाहिए. लाइक दीज आर नॉन नेगोशिएबल स्किल्स. ऑटोमेशन तो अगर आता दैट इज अ चेरी ऑन द केक. तो बट मैं तो सिर्फ बेसिक बोल रही हूँ. LLB के साथ आपको ये सारी चीजें आनी चाहिए टेक्निकल के लिए. तो देन यू आर लाइक at least an outlier on the 70,000 people graduating every year.
Yeah, but I've seen a lot of skilled people, okay, highly skilled people, या फिर ज़्यादा bookish knowledge रहेगा, they are also getting rejected.
Exactly. That is the reason, because bookish knowledge and the skills really needed on the job are two different things. LLB is all about theory. Practical application is not taught.
Correct.
Because of course they have to cover a lot of things in 3 years or in 5 years course.
Correct.
So actually corporates में क्या चाहिए to work in that role. That is something which will make you eligible for the roles.
Yeah, but do you really think that the professional colleges are not considering this aspect of making them job ready?
I think they will consider. They should consider. It will change. Maybe like we can't say that. It should, I will suggest, but like, yeah.
Do you think like being into the same profession, do you think that certificate is overrated in today's world?
Yeah, because certification without a project implementation, now it is useless. I'll
Hmm.
clearly say you. Like
Correct.
a lot of people go, even for the business analysis, there are a lot of generic courses. बहुत सारे generalized courses है market में.
Yeah, there are lots.
पर अगर आप जब आप बीए काम करते हो तो हर डोमेन के बीए का रिक्वायरमेंट अलग होता है. यू हैव टू डिसाइड दैट अगर आप ये डोमेन में हो तो टूल्स में भी सेम होंगे बट उसका यूज बदल जाता है डोमेन वाइज. तो अगर आप वैसे नॉलेज लेते हो तो यू आर एक्चुअली अबव द एवरेज स्टूडेंट्स.
करेक्ट.
अ नॉर्मल इंजीनियरिंग स्टूडेंट को पता होगा फिग्मा टूल है, ये है. आई एम जस्ट टेलिंग, आई डोंट नो राइट नाउ व्हाट इज द दिस इज. बट उनको एक्चुअली यूएस हेल्थ केयर अगर डोमेन में बात करें तो उनको फिग्मा का कौन सा पार्ट चाहिए? आर दे गोइंग टू नीड द डैशबोर्ड पार्ट और मेकिंग द वर्क फ्लोज और व्हाट? It changes domain wise. It is not consistent. So general BA courses won't help you. You have to target domain wise. And if you see, the hiring trend has also changed. LinkedIn specifically now mentions business analysis in legal domain, business analysis in banking. So that is the difference. Yeah, that is, it's happening. Like it is changing.
So talking about job roles, right? BA analysis, what all things they need in their entire profiling to get selected for that particular domain?
First of all, communication skills. These are like, non-negotiable skills. Then, of course, how to do BRD, FRD. And if we talk domain-wise, for the legal BA, they might need to know the technical skills, which is very important. If we talk about US healthcare, then that is the domain, because US healthcare is a very big domain.
Yeah, absolutely.
So they need to have a knowledge about that. And they have to do their profile on LinkedIn should be profiled accordingly. वैसे प्रोफाइल होनी चाहिए लिंक्डइन पर. ऐसे नहीं, मतलब आप नॉलेज ले लेते हैं, बहुत सारे लोगों को नॉलेज तो बहुत होता है, बट अगर आप उसको पोजीशन नहीं करते, आप उसको विजिबल नहीं करते, तो यूज नहीं होता है उसका.
Absolutely. Coming to this, I mean, you rightly said LinkedIn पे प्रोफाइल होना चाहिए. How important is for a graduate who wants to pursue BA in the legal domain? How important is to be on social media?
Specifically on LinkedIn, it is very, very important. With the competition right now, it is the statistics what I shared, 70,000, 80,000 people graduating. You have to be somewhere, you are visible. So
absolutely,
it's very important.
Because you are breaking those volume.
Exactly.
And your visibility will create a lot of impact, because as many projects as you have done, if you are showing it, you are showing your expertise and thought leadership, I believe.
Exactly.
Right? Your post also creates a lot of thought leadership.
Exactly.
So it's important for everyone to be visible. कई बार मेरे पास ऐसे लोग आते हैं कि यार मैंने तो सिर्फ ग्रेजुएट किया है, मैं लिंक्डइन पे रह के क्या करूं?
Exactly, I get these mentality people as well, but that won't help them, na. Like आपको बहुत नॉलेज होगा एंड बट you won't get shortlisted. फिर जो रोल्स को आप अप्लाई कर रहे हो उसमें आप नहीं शॉर्टलिस्ट हो पाओगे.
So according to you, they need to balance down with the bookish knowledge and the current trends that are happening.
Exactly.
Now let's talk about AI. How important is AI skill for this domain?
AI skill is very important. Like we'll just talk a basic aspect about the legal thing, drafting. It is very important. There are a lot of tools coming in. We actually teach one of the tools in our course. It's called Praman. And it is very much, taken into consideration all the lawyers, requirements. तो ड्राफ्टिंग टूल से आप ड्राफ्ट बना सकते हो, बट अगर आपको किसी का रिप्लाई करना है थोड़ा सा, हैविंग दैट सेक्शन वाइज रिप्लाईज, that needs to be done by you. Like lawyer needs to do that. But drafting can be done using AI. So you should be smart enough to know where AI can be used, because that gives you an edge over all the things.
Correct.
Now this is one example I am giving. Even for DPDP coming in, there are a lot of tools which are coming in the market. I actually see a lot of people posting on LinkedIn, a lot of IT companies getting into it. They are developing tools for DPDP for achieving certain 2 to 3 aspects of DPDP about it. So
correct.
They have to have this skill. Like this is where they'll have their edge above the others.
So I've seen a lot of graduates after graduating, they struggle to get the experience.
I'll say experience, if they want, they should really work on the projects. So that will give them the experience. Because if they're really doing it, they will be able to write and talk about it in the interviews. That is the kind of experience, and real, like not faking it out.
Yeah.
Really doing it, really designing a workflow.
Correct.
So then you are actually confident. That is the experience they actually want. It's not that 2-4 years का experience मतलब they want कि
Yeah,
आपने
they
कहा-
want to see at least that person is capable enough in
Exactly.
developing that workflow or not.
Exactly. So अगर आपने मतलब किसी ने case study पे काम किया है, they will be able to talk about it
Correct.
without doubt. Like there is ये जो experience का हम बात करते हैं, that is the experience, kind of experience needed.
So after ChatGPT coming into place, Gemini, there are a lot of other tools,
Claude,
right,
and yeah.
who gives you entire drafting. So do you think people have a per se, like new businesses, the startups, they say यार सब कुछ compliance वगैरह सब कुछ हम लोग ChatGPT से निकाल लेते हैं. How authentic is that?
ChatGPT actually hallucinates also. A lot of time. And a lot of lawyers might not know about it, but there was this thing. One lawyer actually, got some draft from ChatGPT. He presented in the court. So actually, and that case never happened, but ChatGPT actually hallucinated it. So,
is it?
Yeah. So you should actually know where to limit that use.
You cannot totally rely on that particular thing.
Exactly. That is the reason law plus tech plus business. It's a combination of this.
It's a combination. So I get there where you say, like, sub knowledge hona chahiye.
Combination skills.
Because if you want to be in BA, if you want to become a business analyst, you should know in and out of business.
Exactly.
Because you're analyzing the entire business.
Exactly.
And so it's very important. And thing that you said, it's for real, that it might give you false information.
So as a legal BA, you should know where stop using, or just no, we are not taking this output from it. Like so, if you are good enough in that process, like understanding the entire process, then you know that where to stop, how much to use. That is the best use of AI one can do right now. Because we don't have that much expert AI right now. Of course, we just, like, I think recently ChatGPT got some. They are developing more advanced versions than Claude.
Yeah, they are. I guess there are a lot of other tools also.
Claude, yeah. So Claude is actually better than ChatGPT. We heard that, but ChatGPT is also developing that now.
So we are talking about so many tools. Can you just name top 3 tools that can help BA analyst LLP?
Specifically, if we talk of legal, there are like draft. So like domain wise, it changes. Like as I said, if we talk only legal drafting ke liye, there is a Praman tool. Now there is this also draft.pro tools available.
Yeah.
And और भी आ जाएंगे market में. But these 2 tools I know specifically.
As a beginner, top 3.
And for DPDP, Privacy Shield is one. You should know the in and out, how that tool, what that tool does, like compliance में क्या help कर सकता है, ROPA कैसे करता है, and all of that.
Wow.
So this is very important, but I'm just telling. तो बाकी का आप course में.
But then life is becoming easy, right? I guess even though you're saying people will go, but then they get overwhelmed because there are a lot of information flooded, right? Even if you give any kind of prompt, you will get some sort of information, right? Then again, you will keep trying more and more and more and more, and then you are in that loop, right? So taking courses from you guys becomes very easy, right? So that they understand how to use, how much to use, and what to use.
Exactly.
Which brings a lot of clarity, I believe.
Exactly.
Now talking about graduates, मैंने ये भी देखा है और उनके दिमाग में ये है कि नहीं हम लोग multiple roles करेंगे, work from home करना है, hybrid करना है.
Yeah. Specifically Gen Z having that.
What is your take in that?
बहुत सारे roles करना है good, but have they ever planned how they are going to get that? Okay, like you can be in one role and decide that maybe I want to be in another role. But going to that needs upgradation, skill set changing, domain knowledge. So ऐसे नहीं कोई भी चला जाता एकदम एक से इसमें. So that is where they have to plan. Like getting an experience in the corporate is all in all a different feeling, and of course that gives you a lot of understanding about how the businesses are run, and they should get it.
But do we really have hybrid roles available?
Yeah, for legal BA there are quite
Mhm.
few. Like even if you go through LinkedIn, we have certain. I can share with you. There are a lot of roles which are hybrid for legal business
Is
analyst.
it?
Yes, and even remote. Even remote
Mhm.
jobs are available for that.
Okay, so basically this domain has lot of opportunities available,
Yes,
but
yes.
somehow people are not
Not
able
aware.
to get there.
Not aware also.
Yeah, yeah. So how can they get the awareness, and what all things they need to do to be
Yeah.
in the game?
First of all, educating and start learning about the legal technology, where it's growing. Like with the DPDP coming in, what are going to be the game changers technology tools?
Hmm.
That is very important.
Hmm.
तो अगर वो चीज़ों को थोड़ा सा ध्यान में रखकर उस पे करें एंड ऑफ कोर्स प्रोफाइलिंग इफ लिंक्डइन पे
Yeah.
यू डोंट डू इट यू आर लाइक इवन इफ यू हैव अ लॉट ऑफ नॉलेज you won't get it.
Exactly.
So
Absolutely.
that is a major problem law graduates have. Like people, we have certain people in our course. They had done certain courses from I don't want to name, but there are like reputed
Yeah, there are a
colleges
lot of
and
colleges. Yeah.
but they still didn't knew that there are technology and tools available for contract lifecycle management. And it was an eye opener. I was like, "What? You have done this, and you didn't knew that there are CLM tools,
Correct.
and there are so many like Ironclad, DocuSign, and all that."
Hmm.
So that is the kind of knowledge we need to, they need to upgrade on.
They
If
need to.
really want to work in the legal tech, and it's
Hmm.
growing. US has also, started having their tools in Indian market now.
Is it?
Yeah. So the competition and the demand is going to grow. So like yeah, that is it's I get a lot of people coming to me and they say that yeah, we are working, ma'am, we know the legal tech is growing, and how we do that, start learning at least. And so at least you get an idea, and after the course also don't stop there.
Yeah.
Just get in connect with the people, the tools they are developing and all of that. So that is like अभी ये तो करना ही चाहिए as a
No,
fresh
it is
graduate.
important.
Yeah. So
How long do they take to get market ready?
2 months is so actually what we do is initially 10 days may we profile their LinkedIn and everything, and then
Acha, you guys help them in optimizing their
Yes.
entire LinkedIn
yes
profile.
yes
Wow, that's amazing.
because that is important.
Yeah, yeah,
Until and unless that is done now, that they won't get results. So we
Hmm.
actually help them to optimize the profile, and in 10 days people start applying, and some get interviews also. Now because of the relocation thing, some don't take the job or
Yeah.
something, but yeah, like in 15 days they start applying at least. So we can expect in 2 months they're ready to appear for any interview, be it a DPO role or legal business analyst or anything.
Shivani, why is it that after pursuing the degree also they have to come out and do such kind of they need to upgrade their skills?
As I think we did this, that LLB is all about theory, and theory application is not needed in the corporates anymore. It's not that you just have to draft and draft and draft. You also have to be capable, like designing the workflows for the legal
Yes.
processes, and that requires knowledge of the tools. So that is where they have to upgrade.
Exactly. So no more it is only theory.
Yes.
It is tech plus theory.
Yes.
And you identify that gap really well, right? And that made you start Stratify BA.
Yes. Yes.
I also know when we were conversing, I also know you said that I'm a mother of two.
Yeah.
So how are you managing your motherhood journey plus your relationship, your family, and then Stratify BA?
It's actually difficult because my daughters don't know what their mom is doing and all of that, but I also want to be with them sometimes.
Yep.
Yeah, but it's difficult.
Mom
but I'm
guilt.
enjoying the journey.
Absolutely.
I'm enjoying the process. So I think hopefully once they grow up, they know that what their mom was doing when they were small.
So what keeps you motivated?
So when I get these kinds of reviews, when the students, ma'am, you made us confident, we were able to,
Crack the job.
crack the job, and I was very confident in the interviews. So that actually keeps me going.
Lovely.
That is my reward, actually. I think at the end.
So what is I also want to understand, you're a female entrepreneur. There are a lot who just think about starting their own venture, but you already did. Okay, in this domain, basically in legal domain. What is your core belief?
Um, like I generally, like, because of my experience in the corporates, I actually realized this, that degree is like, okay, that is this, but skills is very important. And with the right skills, anyone can be eligible, and at least, get shortlisted for the right roles. So that gap, that was my belief, to making them skill ready. So actually, it is a very interesting thing. I was on a career break while my second daughter was born. So that time, one person messaged me on LinkedIn that he was preparing for certain role for the company I had worked.
Okay.
So he said that what kind of what is the domain. I just groomed him, and then he said, "Can I connect on one?" I helped him, and he got that interview.
Wow.
So that actually got me. Oh wow! If
That's a moment.
Yeah, so I realized that it's really nice if, without, helping that person who was really fresh, he didn't knew the domain, nothing, and he was able to get into it. So I can, help
So
others.
during your break also you were pretty much active on LinkedIn.
Not pretty much, because second pregnancy is difficult, with already the first one it's a little bit difficult. But I was actually preparing what I want to do, and doing my research, connecting with universities in US. So US has been ahead, as we talked about it. West is already ahead in legal BA, legal data analysis.
To matter all the domains.
Yeah, every domain. So I was in touch with that, like one university, that what is it and how it's going to grow, and doing my research. So, but yeah, like I had pretty much planned, but not started yet. After my second daughter was born, that's when I started.
So what is the process if someone is coming to, want to enroll and they want to come out of it with a thorough knowledge and be job ready? What is the process to register and to onboard?
So usually what we do, we don't enroll everybody, because we have to have a certain,
Parameters,
because
skills.
We need to know how much they are really serious about it. So we have a one-on-one call, and if everything goes well, and then we enroll them, and there's like the batches of 10 people or 15 people maximum. And so they start with, we start with the LinkedIn optimization first. They have to do the profile, the profile picture shoot and everything.
Correct.
And the skill set, of course. So every weekly there are classes, there are recordings, there are live classes. So they are already upgrading and applying. So
lovely. So it's more practical than theoretical.
Yes.
And that's how you make them job ready, and that's how they crack also. They're generating good results. So apart from this, I really want to understand that people who are not upgrading their skills, do they still have to struggle for years and years?
Yes, that is, you actually asked a very, very nice question, because I have seen people being in one role for 8-9 years because they don't want to upgrade.
Yeah. And still, I guess those experienced people are still in that traditional pattern of doing things.
Yes.
हाथ से करो, हाथ से लिखो.
And then फिर एक दिन ऐसे उठकर, then they will lose their job if they don't upgrade.
Yeah.
Then you, like the people say na, the fear of AI.
Yeah.
अगर आप upgrade नहीं करोगे, then the fear is real for you that you might lose the job because of AI. So you need to upgrade. The competition is like huge in India.
Correct.
So you have to upgrade. I won't say कि certification करो और ये, but at least do it real, real case studies, practical skills, what is needed.
How important BA analyst role is in this domain?
BA and as a BA was one of the number one roles since 2024 and 2025. Business analyst only, if you talk about it. And in the legal, it's still developing. In India, right now, it's still developing. Daily, I'm seeing new postings, US companies posting and everything. They are not getting skilled people. So that's the reason some of the jobs are reposted. So if you really target, if someone, so I had been called in a college also, and a lot of people said that they want to work as a data scientist or business analyst. But good, they want to do that. But as the clarity they have now for working as a BA, अगर वो clarity domain के लिए भी हो कि मुझे यूएस हेल्थ केयर के डोमेन में बिजनेस एनालिस्ट बनना है, तो आप वो नॉलेज के साथ आप बढ़ोगे आगे. लीगल में अगर बनना है तो वो नॉलेज के साथ बढ़ोगे. आप जेनेरिक नहीं बनोगे.
Absolutely. So you need to have your niche ready.
Exactly.
Niche ready. I mean, until unless you don't have niche, you'll you'll try and do a lot of things which doesn't align
Doesn't
with
work.
what. Yeah.
And domain wise it doesn't work. Like generic
Absolutely.
knowledge won't help you in a financial domain because वहाँ पे ज़्यादा analysis लगता है, वहाँ पे ज़्यादा dashboarding skills लगते हैं.
Correct. So you need to be very specific,
Very
very
specific.
precise. So your courses will also help them to get
Yes.
that niche ready.
Yes, that is the reason we have courses like legal business analysis, US healthcare business analysis, because that is the niche like we are targeting. We are not going to train you कि US healthcare वालों को कि अरे आपको finance में क्या लगेगा, नहीं. Only then specific. और उससे ही result मिलता है, उससे ही they will be able to get that job.
So we're talking a lot about US market. Do you really think that opportunity is way higher in US market?
Yeah, higher, but also they are outsourcing it here. India
अच्छा,
being
इंडिया में ज्यादा
yeah,
अपॉर्चुनिटी
बहुत
ओपनिंग ज्यादा है.
बहुत ज्यादा है. और करते हैं, मतलब literally I have seen like lot of people working for the US companies for years and years, and they want that person to stay in that role. So है opportunity बहुत सारी है. US companies बहुत ज्यादा इंडियन मार्केट में इन्वेस्ट करते हैं. They trust our market, but आप उतना स्किल हो जाओ at least.
Correct.
So you will be able to get that.
So it was lovely talking to you. Very candid conversation, and it is much needed. I believe that
Yes.
people should be job ready in
Absolutely.
the vertical they are in.
Right.
Okay, and talking about LLB, it's again like it's very theoretical, as you rightly said. Colleges are also emphasizing more towards theory rather than making it a combination of both.
Yes.
Okay, so now we are heading towards our rapid fire round. Okay, so whatever questions I'm going to ask you, you need to answer in one word. Are we ready for it?
Yes.
All right then. Degree or skills?
Skills.
Anytime. Law career or tech driven career?
Tech driven law career.
Absolutely. It should be a combination of both.
Yeah.
Rather. Certification or real project?
Real projects. Yeah.
AI threat or opportunity?
Opportunity.
Absolutely. I mean, AI has made your life so simple.
Yes.
Corporate job or hybrid role?
Hybrid, like what suits in the everyone's situation.
One skill every graduate must learn.
I think automation and workflow designing. Like anyone requires that, workflow designing and all of that. So that is.
So talking about automation, how does that help in this field?
There are a lot of, when someone is designing a workflow, maybe there is a condition that you can automate that repetitive task.
Okay.
So if you are able to do that, you are like a very, very big help for the company, and they'll pay you a lot.
Bomb. Yeah. Biggest mistake students make today?
They focus only on getting degrees from highest colleges and not enhancing their skills and this. So that's.
So what do you suggest?
Of course, get your degree. Yeah. For everyone's sake,
you
do
need
it.
to have that certificate.
Yeah, but upgrade based on the market.
But do you think that this should be done only after graduating or within this process of taking graduation?
They should actually while graduating, because every day technology is developing.
Because once they graduate, there will be new
things. So
one thing colleges don't teach.
Tools, tech for LLB I'm talking.
Yeah. But I also believe that not only tools, but they're also not making them job ready.
Yeah.
Future high demand roles.
Legal business analyst is growing, like legal tech particularly, like legal engineer. There is this, you might be hearing
new names,
legal engineer is
new
a thing,
vertical,
real thing. You can just go on LinkedIn and see that. There are roles, people are wanting to get into that roles.
Wow.
So
one advice for stuck graduates.
Upgrade on your skills, work on your profile, because skills without profiling won't get you the job, the right job you are looking.
You rightly said that your degrees will give you knowledge, but unless you don't practice that knowledge and bring it out with the combination of tech, and
Exactly.
tools that is required will give you a lot of success.
Like degree without implementation is like nothing. No?
Yeah.
The corporates want the implementation part.
Absolutely.
Degree is just a gate pass, at least just to get it.
Absolutely.
The implementation is really they are looking for.
So how many students are you helping so far?
So we started this live batch like recently because we had recorded courses earlier. So like we had 30 students until now.
Wow.
And we are taking short batches only
Yeah,
because
correct.
one-on-one attention is then difficult.
Duration is 2 months.
Yeah, 2 months.
Lovely.
Yes.
Amazing. So which are your upcoming batches that are starting if people want to come and enroll?
We are starting a batch in April. Like after 20th April, we are going to start that batch. And we already have like 6 seats filled. And we are targeting only 10 students in this batch.
Wow, that's
So,
amazing.
yeah.
So how they can, go and
Y'all can-
register?
Y'all can visit the website and y'all can actually, so there's a link that they can, message me and we can have the scheduled call and everything. And
Okay.
because that is the way they can enroll.
So are you available on LinkedIn?
Yeah, I'm also there on LinkedIn, Shivani Joshi. So yeah, they can also reach me out there.
So Shivani, in a very young age or in a very short span of time, you also got featured in this Wonder Women article. Would you like to throw some insights on that?
First of all, like I'm very grateful for this, being featured in like the top 10 for April month, the Wonder Woman. It is really great because, जो चीज मैं कर रही हूँ, it's a niche, it's a very new thing in India, and being appreciated for that actually made me, very, very happy. Like, because usually this domain, woman has not started something like this.
Yeah.
So that was really, really very nice experience, I say. And other also like competitive, like other women were also there. I congratulate them also. But that is a really nice moment.
Yeah, in legal domain and women, it's a very rare combination.
Yes.
Right? And you are able to do it. Not only do it, you are doing it very successfully.
Yes.
What would you like to tell to all the women who have just, all the girls, like all the students, female students who have just graduated?
I'll say that if like for the women who want to, start their businesses, be an entrepreneur, do it. With the
Correct.
experience, you'll learn it.
Absolutely.
My experience has been if you work in the corporates and then start your business, that way you have an edge. You know how the corporates have been working. You know pretty much around
Absolutely,
like
yeah.
about everything. So my advice will be that, but it even if like शुरू करना है तो बस कर दो, रुको मत, राइट टाइम नहीं आता कभी.
Exactly.
करो.
There
और
will be challenges.
Exactly.
Right? If you want to do something in your life, you need to make sure that you are at least starting.
Yes. ये चीज मैंने थोड़ा सा लेट कर दिया था क्योंकि I was pregnant and I was in a this कि करो नहीं
Correct.
But I'll just say कि please start करो. You learn in the journey, you grow.
Correct.
So do it. Just do it.
Absolutely.
And I think like sky is the limit. I'm not talking ki every, but at least I think ki, if anyone wants to start, sky is the limit if you start it at least. So,
yeah. Once you start, I guess it's universe, right? You manifest, you attract a lot of things. एक बार शुरू करोगे तो ही चीजें शुरू होगी.
और सीखकर भी
it's a process.
हाँ.
Even if you learn lot of things, again, once you start implementing, there will be a lot of things which will come.
Yes.
In a way.
बिल्कुल.
So you rightly said that's very important कि भाई आप जो भी करो वह ऐसा करो कि आपको रुकावट आने के बावजूद भी आप चीजों को कंटिन्यूटी में रखो. So when you started your Stratify BA, like what was that moment when you realized that that's it, this is the thing that I want to start, and why the name is Stratify?
Stratify name was because strategically targeting the BA roles you want to get into. That is why Stratify BA. Okay. And like when I started it, when I actually I just posted one video, and that time because it was new, so I had given my WhatsApp number also.
Oh wow!
Like within 48 hours of that video went live, I had around 100 messages on WhatsApp that what is legal business handle? What is legal?
Oh.
So maybe not everyone was like wanted to buy, but at least the curiosity. So that is when I realized that we need to, teach the market about this. We have to get students ready for this because they don't even
Absolutely.
know about the role which is developing in the West already.
Mm-hmm.
So that was the moment, and then I just, full-fledgedly started all of these.
So I guess this role, what you're talking about, is very much emerging,
Yeah.
right?
Yeah.
And people are opting out for it.
Yes. Yes.
And there
legal
are a
tech.
lot of opportunities.
A lot.
Thank you so much once again. We had
Yes.
wonderful conversation. One last advice or a message you want to give to all the audience who are watching us. So there can be parents, there can be business owners, there can be graduates, students who are just graduating from legal domain.
I would suggest that upgrade like on your skills, which is very important. And if you want to work as a business analyst, which is a very high demanding role, and lot of people want to work as a BA, I've seen this.
Yeah.
Please target domain wise. You are not going to be a generic BA. Every domain wise, the BA needs, the BA demands, the BA skills changes. So do it that with clarity, so you will get the results. And parents, specifically, I'm talking for the law graduates,
Yeah.
because they already have this feeling that what will happen after law.
Absolutely.
So if they really do it in the right way, they are going to get a very good job, and they might be working legal tech. So just help your children getting there, and yeah, I mean, you can do that for the best. Like,
Also, one last question I have in my mind, that is, do you think that engineering plus law is a combination?
yeah, recently we have, like, I'll tell you, there are a lot of people from engineering background. They are doing law now.
Is it?
Yes, and LinkedIn is full of it. I have so many people contacting me. I'm also from engineering and LLB background. So now LLB students have to be more equipped, because already the engineering people are getting into it, because they know the legal tech is going to grow now.
Is it? So people are shifting their domain.
Yes, they, like, engineering people want to get into legal tech because legal tech is going to grow.
Okay.
With the acts right now,
Yeah.
all the tools are going to develop.
Correct.
So law students को तो और ज़्यादा मेहनत करनी है, और ज़्यादा equip करना है खुद को.
But does that help? Does engineering helps in law?
टेक्नोलॉजी सीखने में मदद हो जाता है, बिकॉज LLB जैसे वो थ्योरी होता है ना, उनको ज्यादा टूल्स और पता नहीं होता, तो वो एक प्लस पॉइंट होता है. बट अगर प्रोसेस समझना हो तो देन LLB पीपल आर बेटर सूटेड देयर.
Correct.
So if LLB person does and understand the tools better, so they will be a better fit, for these roles.
Lovely.
Is my take is like for that.
Correct. So thank you so much once again. One last message for our platform, Ek Soch.
Ek Soch is really, like, I have seen your videos, and you are doing a tremendous job.
Thank you.
Calling people and interviewing their entrepreneur journey. It's really, really nice, and all the best. And I'm really very glad that I could come today for this. So very, like, all the best, and thank you. You're doing a wonderful job.
Thank you so much, and it's our privilege to have you today on this hot seat, because I believe that every woman need a platform.
Yeah.
Okay.
Thank you.
If you get a platform, you can flourish. You never know who will watch this video and where it is reaching, and it has a power to reach tier 2, tier 3 cities, and it's my own experience. So thank you so much for being there, Shivani ji, and to all the viewers, to all the audience who are pursuing and graduating law or engineering, and who wants to work on the title of legal BA. You know now whom to approach. Shivani Joshi, she is pretty much available on LinkedIn. Do check her LinkedIn profile, and stay tuned for our next episode. Signing off for today, Nirali Pandya. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.